Here I am back again. I'm going to paint this chair. I'm very excited. I was excited to paint it red, but I was reminded that you want to keep it the same color family, so we're going to paint it a darker blue. Not quite as excited about it, but that's what we're going to do. First of all, we have to do a water test to make sure that the fabric spray dye is going to work properly. So we are going to find not the most heavily traveled area on the piece, because that is going to wear off any protectant. We're going to tip the chair up and we're going to test it on the back. Okay, here we go. Oh, and it passes with flying colors. All right, we're back with the fabric spray dye, and we're going to test the bottom of the cushion to make sure that it's the color we want to do the rest of the project in. So hold the can upright. What do you think? Many of you may have ants in your pants and you want to spray this whole project right now. You're supposed to wait 3 days to make sure the color is the way you like it and that it is adhered properly to the chair. All right, here we are back 3 days later. We're going to check the test area on the cushion to see if it's what we like. It's good and dry. It's sticking on there. It's the color I'm happy with. So we're going to continue with the project. Like I said in other videos, every chair is different. Every piece of furniture is different. This one has the pillows that come off. So I'm deciding I'm going to paint the basic part of the chair first and then paint the pillows. I don't even need to paint the pillows on the chair. But that's what I'm going to do. So we just change the camera to the chair. That's one can. Here I'm with can 2. That much of a shake. Spraying that inside the cushion inside there was probably not the best idea. It was hard to get to, and when we touched it later, it smudged some of the dye. So I think it's best to do the cushion separately on like another piece of cardboard or some other work surface. Here we are. We're going to do the back cushion separately. And we're going to have to do one side and then come back tomorrow and do the other side. So bear with us. Okay, now that's that for today. I wasn't excited about this. I really wanted to paint it red, but now this electric blue color, I am pretty excited about it. So we'll finish this up tomorrow when this all dries. Here we are, second day. It's dry to the touch, it's not completely dry. But we're gonna want to darken it up, so we're gonna give it a second coat. All right, here we go. We oversaturated with paint, so it kind of has a glossy feel. And as you can see, it still doesn't transfer, but it has a rough feel. So I'm going to just break the fibers up with this cloth so it has a smooth, natural, like it did before. And I'm just going to do this on the parts that you feel. And it's just so it doesn't draw attention to it. Okay, that's pretty much my pro tip for the day.